Hey loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be swatching and reviewing the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Glosses. I picked up 5 of the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Glosses for $1 each on the Shop Miss A website. I also created this Cosmic Cutie makeup tutorial. It's very pink and very sparkly, and it was inspired by the AOA Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Cosmic. It's a very pretty pink purpley lip gloss with a lot of iridescent glitter and shimmer in it, and I was really inspired to create a makeup look. Alright loves, on to the swatches. I'm blending the shade New Money from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette in and above my crease using my Maybelline crease brush. I'm priming my lid with the E.L.F. Sheer Eyeshadow Primer. I'm applying the shade Rich Girl all over my lid using the AOA E122. I'm highlighting my brow bone with a mixture of So Bougie and Rolling in Dough using my Color Mates eyeshadow brush. Going back to the shade New Money, I'm smudging it along my lower lash line with the AOA E115. Now I'm applying a coat of the Black Radiance Lengthening Mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm lining my waterline with the Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in the shade Blackest Black. I'm using my Start mini pencil brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the shade Gold Dipped. I don't know if I ever showed you loves this palette, that's why I'm showing you now. This is the BH Cosmetics Contour&Blush 2, and I'll be using this palette for my contour and my blush. I'm using my AOA Studio F13 to contour my cheekbones as well as my forehead with this deep brown shade in the palette. Now I'm applying this mauvey pink blush in the palette to my cheeks using my Real Techniques mini contour brush. For my highlight, I'm applying the Amuse Cosmetics Glamour Glow in the shade Showstop using my AOA F19. I do have a review video that will be available on the end screen. To complete my makeup look, I'm applying the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in Cosmic. It's a really pretty pink glitter and iridescent shimmer lip gloss. It's not sticky, it's very lightweight and comfortable on the lips, and it's moisturizing. Loves, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. I'll give you another close-up look. I love this gloss so much. In regards to my final thoughts on the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Glosses, I definitely recommend these lip glosses, especially the shade Cosmic, which is the one I'm wearing right now, and this will definitely be stockpiled in my collection. I think on the Shop Miss A website you can purchase, on select items, the max number you can purchase is 10, so hey, yeah. Yes, I definitely recommend these. First of all, they're not sticky. I recommend any lip gloss that is not sticky. I absolutely hate sticky lip glosses. It's like a serious pet peeve. I hate those. Yeah, this is not sticky. This is actually the complete opposite. It's very moisturizing, very smooth on the lips. Feels nice and lightweight. As you can see, there is a lot of glitter. Oh my gosh, there's so much glitter and sheen, and it's just so pretty. I love it. Here, see. Alright loves, there will be a complete list of everything that I used in this tutorial to create this look down below in the description. Along with that, there will be a link to the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Glosses that are available from $1 on the Shop Miss A website. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!